Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about order list and unordered list. First, I will create a file using .html extension. Then I will start writing simple HTML code. Inside title tag, I'm going to give title. Then inside the body tag, I will give an header file. And you should know order list in the HTML that are used to display the sequence of items in a specific order, while unordered list are used to group related items in no particular order. So for creating a order list, we are going to use OL tag. For creating unordered list, we are going to use UL tag. And inside OL tag and UL tag, we are going to use LI tag for listing the items. So here we are creating a content for listing the items using order list and unordered list. So after creating order list and unordered list, you can save the file and run the code or open in the browser so that you can able to see the order list items as well as unordered list items in the browser. So now I'm going to save the file, then open in the browser. So if I open, you can see here. So you got order list and unordered list. Again, I'm going to use type attribute in order to give the specific type for both order list and unordered list. Again, I'm going to save and run the code. You can see here type for OL tag have given A, for UL tag have given circle. Again, I'm going to change the type for OL tag A, for UL tag I'm going to give the type square. So now I'm going to see the changes here. See, you can able to see the changes. Again, I'm going to modify the values in OL type tag with Roman numbers. Save the files and open in the browser. You can see the Roman numbers. And thanks for watching.